The mystery behind the white flesh and tiny seeds. Surprising facts about purple eggplant. Look at this. Who doesn't know the purple eggplant? Its shiny purple skin is like silk. But have you ever wondered why, beneath that beautiful skin, lies a plain white flesh? And what are those tiny seeds scattered inside? Are they just decoration, or do they have a secret purpose? And most importantly, which is more dangerous for some people, frying them or eating them? Today, we will uncover all the mysteries of the purple eggplant through a microscope as we see it together. Prepare to be amazed. This is what the white flesh of a purple eggplant looks like, with small cells forming the structure of the flesh of the purple eggplant. Let's explore the first mystery, the duality of color. That stunning deep purple is a living shield. Pigments called anthocyanins, specifically nazenin, act as natural sunscreens and free radical scavengers, protecting the seeds within. That's why these pigments are concentrated only in the outermost layer, the skin. Meanwhile, the white flesh inside acts as a logistics warehouse, storing water and nutrients to support the seed's life. So, white is a sign of purity of function. But this is just the beginning. The real secret lies in the tiny seeds we often overlook. Look at these tiny seeds. In fresh eggplant, they're soft and barely noticeable. That's because we harvest them while they're still young and full of promise. These seeds are actually the future of life, the genetic bank for the next generation of eggplants. If left to mature, they will harden, form a protective shell, and fall to the ground ready to germinate. But herein lies nature's genius. The soft white flesh acts as both the incubator and the first food source for the plant's future offspring. But what exactly is the magical content of this white flesh? So what makes it such a perfect snack? The answer lies in its extraordinary chemical composition. Don't be fooled by its plain appearance. This eggplant flesh is a low-calorie nutrient bomb. It is filled with fiber, which is a friend of the intestines and controls blood sugar. It contains potassium, a mineral that protects the heart rhythm and blood pressure. Vitamin K is also present, a key player in blood clotting and bone health. However, the real stars are antioxidants, such as chlorogenic acid, which acts as an invisible fighter against cell damage. But this knowledge raises a major dilemma. How best to extract all this goodness? Is it a simple boil or a mouth-watering stir-fry? Your choice could be the difference between medicine and poison. Let's do some imagination work. On the left, boiled eggplant. This method seems to lock all the goodness into the flesh. The nutrients remain intact without the addition of new enemies. On the right, fried eggplant. This is where the problem begins. The spongy flesh of eggplant greedily absorbs oil. Not only does it increase calories, but high heat can trigger the formation of a compound called acrylamide. Research calls it a hidden threat. So, when it comes to health, the absolute winner is boiling or steaming. But wait, the story isn't over yet. Because for certain groups of people, this purple eggplant can be like an uninvited guest bringing trouble. Who are they? This is the other side we should be aware of. First, for those taking blood-thinning medications like warfarin, the vitamin K content in eggplant can be a dangerous partner if intake is inconsistent, as it can affect the medication's effectiveness. Second, for those with a history of oxalate kidney stones, eggplant seeds and skin contain oxalate, which can be a precursor to stone formation. Third, individuals with allergies or sensitivities to plants in the Solanaceae family, such as potatoes and tomatoes, may need to exercise caution. So, the purple eggplant is more than just an ordinary vegetable. It's a perfect symphony of nature. Purple skin as a powerful protector, white flesh as a source of nutrition, and tiny seeds as the hope of new life. Share this video with others and let us know in the comments, what's your favorite eggplant cooking method? Hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to delve into more everyday food science mysteries. See you on the next adventure.